Welcome again to our course on biodesign, strategies for innovation and design on bioengineering. Today we're going to take a look at research and development strategies. So let's start. For today I want you to understand the importance of defining a strategic R&D milestone plan, and also to recognize how to identify and prioritize the key technical challenges associated with this phase. I want you to learn how to outline engineering activities, resources, and tests required to address these challenges, and to appreciate the importance of de-risking early on everything in your R&D strategy. So if we think a little bit about our biodesign testing continuum, you can see that the R&D phase is anywhere between the prototyping and the clinical phase, and it includes many non-clinical and preclinical activities. As such, it has the bench testing of features, components, and subassemblies that are important for you to test, to de-risk your product and to show that your concept actually works. It also includes simulated use and testing on anatomical models, and also tissue testing, animal testing, cadaver testing, and even chronic animal testing if applicable. Why it's important to lay out all your phases and all the activities that you have to perform early on? Because if now it's probable that you are going to fail in one of these phases, or because of not planning correctly all these activities, you're probably gonna spend too much money and time on things that not maybe even required. If we think about the money and time that everything in the R&D phase is going to take you, it's very wise to actually lay out your plan and to think about what is really necessary and what it's not. If we move on to the length of time and money required for all R&D phases, you can see that it also changes if it's a device or a drug or some combinatory thing in within. As such, simple disposables, complex disposables, and passive implantables are way cheaper to develop in terms of R&D plans as biopharmaceuticals or other pharmaceuticals. So if we think about the time and money that it's going to be required for you to spend in your R&D phase, it's wise to think about devices that are very simple, but also to lay out your plan in such a way that you avoid costly activities in the way. As such, this is pretty much the most important thing to account in an R&D strategy. The more risk that you can take out of the equation early on in this process, the less money and time you're going to spend in all the biodesign process. And with this, we have concluded our topic on R&D strategy. For more information, please refer to our biodesign book. My name is Luis Sorensen, and thank you for watching.